Moving on to Part C. Part C, we start with phosphoric acid. This one's going to make me have to get out a different chart because I'm not familiar with the formula for phosphoric acid. So if I get out the compound flow chart that helps me with the rules, I'm dealing with phosphoric acid. And so I know that if it's an acid, it's going to start with the letter H. That stands for hydrogen, and it's a +1 ion. Phosphoric acid, since the ending was ic, I find that here phosphoric must have come from phosphorate, or the phosphate ion. The phosphate ion in this chart is found right over here. PO4 with a -3 charge is phosphate. And so using the crisscross method to figure out how many hydrogens it'll take to balance those negative charges, I'll put a 3, and the correct formula is H3PO4. H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. Now I need to know how much 1 mole of phosphoric acid weighs. I just need to add up the parts of 3 hydrogens, 1 phosphorus, and 4 oxygens. 3 times 1 gram of hydrogen according to the chart, plus phosphorus, 31 grams, plus 4 times 16 grams of oxygen. 3 plus 31 plus 64 is equal to 98. 98 grams H3PO4. That's the molar mass. It's actually a gram formula mass, but we can just call it molar mass. I'm going to use those numbers down on Part C. Part C, I need to take 25 grams of phosphoric acid and make it into moles, so I'm going to use my mole map. Start the same way, write down what they gave us. This time I use the formula. And get ready to multiply and draw the fraction. According to the mole map, if we need to get from grams to moles, 1 mole goes on top, the molar mass goes on the bottom. 1 mole of H3PO4, the molar mass is 98 grams H3PO4. .25 divided by 98 is 0.25, or rounded to 0.26 moles H3PO4. Moving on to Part C. Part C, again, I need to change 4.5 moles into grams. It's the same format. Start with what they told us, 4.5 moles. H3PO4 is the formula. Get ready to multiply by a fraction. According to the mole chart, moles, phosphoric acid goes on the bottom, and that will be 1 mole. And a gram formula mass, or what we'll just call a molar mass, goes on top. 98 grams. There's 98 grams in 1 mole of H3PO4. These cross out, and when we multiply 4.5 times 9.8, we get 44.1 grams H3PO4. 3PO4.